Hi there, I'm Gemma Fong of Simplifying the Web. I'm a digital marketing strategist. And the other day, I was talking with a few small business groups. And it's very interesting in today's times. Everybody's starting to really feel the pinch of the lower, lower sales and high costs that are occurring, especially with the exchange rate if we do a lot of American suppliers. And so I know that people are starting to rethink about what they're willing to put their money into. But, I also understand how it feels to pour everything into your work and only to feel like you're stuck in the same place. Don't worry though, because we've all been there trying so hard, but not seeing the results. And especially when your client list isn't growing as you determined. But I know it's heart wrenching, and the sinking feeling of frustration is building, and the urge is, some of us just want to give up. But you don't have to. You don't have to go through this alone. What I'm offering to you today is something truly spectacular. Three free, FREE, 1 hour brainstorming sessions over a 3-day period. I'm going to give up my time together and we'll uncover exactly what your business needs are. And then I can build a strategic plan and create clear task lists and timeline for your success. This isn't just another offer. It's a real opportunity to find your way forward through hands-on guidance. I'm going to, especially for you, engage in personalized one-on-one sessions to pinpoint your unique challenge and goals. I'm going to leave with simple, actionable plans to help you navigate the next steps. And I'm also hopefully going to help you to regain your confidence and momentum. If you're at that point where everything feels overwhelming, it might be time to take advantage of this different approach. I'm here, ready to guide you through every step. So if you're interested in this, I'm only taking a few people, a few select people who I know are serious. You can go to simplifyingtheweb.com, 3-day offer, number 3-day offer. I invite you to participate. I want you to be serious about it. And it will not take too long before you start seeing results. I'm serious about this. So please consider this, and I look forward to working with you. Thank you. By the way, I'm Gemma Fong again, Simplifying the Web. I've had over 25 years of experience in this industry, built thousands of websites, done lots of SEO, done lots of strategic planning, e-commerce, and the works. So pick my brain when you can. This is it.